one final check, your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please also note the nearest exit to you, bearing in mind it may be behind you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very warm welcome to Dublin. The local time here is just coming up to 9:15. For your own safety, please remain in your seat with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has stopped moving and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please also be careful when you are opening the overhead bins in case anything should fall out, cause an injury to you or to a fellow passenger. We will be arriving into Terminal 2 this morning. If you have a connecting flight from Dublin Airport, we will have uniformed ground staff meet this aircraft to assist you with any queries you may have. If you are in possession of your onward flight, please follow the signs for the Flight Connection Centre. And for those of you requiring assistance or wheelchairs, if we could kindly ask you to remain on board until the rest of the passengers have disembarked. And for those of you travelling with young children, your strollers will be available for collection at the end of the jetway. Finally, and on behalf of the Captain, Eamon Tracy, myself, Fiona Brown, and the rest of the crew, we thank you for choosing to fly with Aer Lingus and our co-chair partners, British Airways. It has been our pleasure to look after you this evening, and we certainly look forward to seeing you on board one of our services in the very near future. Don't forget to check out our website, aerlingus.com, where you will find our lowest fares and great deals on hotels, travel insurance and Aer Lingus car hire. Go to Mago the Cordial Free Hash, the Aer Lingus a new Son August Bannock Cliff Galair. Thank you and a safe onward journey to you all.